name is Olga Serbo. I'm a board-certified behavior analyst and licensed behavior analyst. And today we're going to talk about parent attachment rigidity in children with autism. If you're feeling exhausted because your child with autism insists on only one parent for everything, whether it's bath time, bedtime, car rides, or even simple tasks, you're not alone. This is called parent attachment rigidity, and it's a common challenge in autism. But before we start talking in more details about this topic, I would like to encourage you to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button below so you can benefit from weekly information on the subject of autism. The good news about parent attachment rigidity is that you can help your child become more flexible and comfortable with both parents. But first, let's understand, why is this happening? Many autistic children thrive on routines, predictability, and familiarity. If one parent is consistently doing certain tasks, the child may resist changes because it feels different or unpredictable. Parent attachment rigidity can also be due to sensory sensitivities. Your child may prefer the way one parent touches, speaks, or moves. Emotional discomfort. The child associates safety and routine with one specific person. Difficulty with transitions. Change can feel overwhelming and they may react with distress. But don't worry. While this behavior is natural, we can gently guide our children to become more flexible and accepting of both parents. So the first suggestion for you is to use gradual involvement, meaning that instead of fast switching caregivers, slowly introduce the less preferred parent into the routine in small steps. Start by having the preferred parent do the task together with the other parent. For example, if mom usually gives the bath, have dad sit nearby and participate in small ways, like handing over the soap or the towel. Gradually shift more responsibilities to the second parent while keeping the preferred parent present. Over time, the first parent can step back, eventually leaving the child with the other parent. Make sure to keep interactions calm and positive to build that trust. Second suggestion, make the other parent fun and predictable. Create positive associations with the less preferred parent by making their presence enjoyable and predictable. Create positive associations with the less preferred parent by making their presence enjoyable and predictable. Have the second parent introduce a special activity that only they do with the child. This could be a fun game, a favorite snack, or a bedtime story. Use a visual schedule or social story to show the child when the other parent will be involved in a routine. Use predictable language like, today, dad will help you brush your teeth. Then we will read your favorite book together. If the child resists, keep the routine consistent, even if it means dealing with some initial pushbacks. The third suggestion: use transitional objects. Some children feel anxious when their routine or caregiver changes. Having a familiar object can make the transition smoother. If mom is the preferred parent, she can give the child a small comfort item, like a soft toy or a bracelet, that they can hold while spending time with the other parent. Pair the item with positive words such as, "Mom is giving you this special bracelet and Dad is going to take you to the store. I'll see you when you come back." Over time, reduce the need for the object as the child becomes more comfortable. The goal is to create a bridge between both parents rather than making the child feel forced into change. The fourth suggestion is to stay consistent and calm. Children pick up on emotions, so if they sense transition, they will resist even more. Keeping a calm and consistent approach is key. Avoid reacting emotionally if the child protests or cries when the second parent takes over a task. Stick to the plan. Don't switch back to the preferred parent just because the child protests. Use gentle reassurance. "I know this is new, but Daddy is helping with bedtime tonight, and we'll have a great time together." The key is repetition and consistency. Don't give up too soon. The fifth suggestion: slowly expand roles over time. Instead of expecting the child to suddenly accept both parents for all tasks, start small and build up. If the second parent is now involved in the bath time, keep doing it consistently before adding another routine like car rides or bedtime. Once the child is comfortable, introduce another caregiving task in a similar, gradual way. Let the child see that both parents are capable, loving, and part of their daily life. Sixth and last suggestion: prepare the child for the changes. How we do that? Just familiarize the child with their daily routine from the night before. This will help the child accept changes and encourage flexibility. So, how does that look? At night, after bedtime story, tell your child who will wake them up in the morning, who will serve them breakfast and take them to school, who will pick them up and play with them, and so on. For example, tomorrow, Daddy will wake you up and give you breakfast. Mommy will help you get dressed and drive you to school. Then Daddy will pick you up, and so on. I know parent attachment rigidity can be frustrating, but remember, change takes time. Your child isn't rejecting the other parent. They are just attached to what's familiar. With patience, consistency, and the right strategies, you will help your child feel safe and comfortable with both of you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with other parents who may be going through the same things. Let me know also in the comments below What strategy are you going to use first? See you in the next video.